Greetings auto aficionados and design enthusiasts alike. I'm Alvin, your guide through the fascinating realm of innovative architecture and vehicular passion here at Alvinsa Studio. Buckle up because today we're diving headfirst into a world where industrial meets automotive elegance. Welcome to Shipping Container Garage by ROXBOX Containers. In the heart of the Rocky Mountain foothills, ROXBOX Containers collaborated with Bruder Design House, a leading residential design and build firm from Colorado, to bring to life a remarkable project, a stunning shipping container garage. Overcoming the challenges of a hillside site, this two-story modular structure stands as a testament to innovative design and sustainable construction. Crafted from 7 20-foot high cube shipping containers, the garage is a captivating blend of industrial aesthetics and modern functionality. ROXBOX Containers handled all the structural shipping container work, including framing, doors, windows, and more, both in their production facility and on-site. This multi-container masterpiece boasts a range of features, including an elevated two-car garage, a gear room/mud room, an outdoor game area, a professional music studio, a home gym, and a rooftop deck offering breathtaking views of the surrounding mountains. Part of Bruder Design House's Echo project, this garage is a pivotal component of the mid-century modern rebuild and expansion. Nestled in the foothills of the Rockies, the Echo project transformed a two-story mid-century home into a modern, multi-generational residence, pushing the boundaries of container building. Bruder Design House spearheaded the design and finish work, infusing the garage with their unique vision. ROXBOX Containers, on the other hand, played a crucial role in the shell pathway, delivering and installing the container shells on site in a matter of days. Let's delve into the project specifications and modifications that make this container garage truly exceptional. 720 high cube one-trip containers, including 4 double-door containers. Structural steel reinforcement for durability and stability. Floor-to-ceiling windows in the gym unit for ample natural light. Extensive container modifications for various rooms, enabling efficient use of space. Exterior paint for a polished and cohesive aesthetic. Custom modifications to container doors for enhanced usability. Steel modifications for the rooftop deck and stairs, ensuring both safety and style. MEP supports and penetrations seamlessly integrated into the design. Closed-cell spray foam under the ground floor containers for insulation. This project stands as a prime example of the power of collaboration and modular construction. From stamped architectural plans to a beautiful two-story garage shell, the partnership between ROXBOX Containers and Bruder Design House showcases the efficiency and value of this innovative approach. ROXBOX Containers and Bruder Design House, redefining architecture one container at a time.